Wrong, so we got to wear these hand shoes because sometimes you touch them, and if we didn't wear the hand shoes, the gloves, the bell would oxidize and the sound would be different. Yeah, it's a normal bell, like everybody knows it, with a thing in it, and to ring it, you just have to play it like this, and we call that ring. And there are different kinds, different ways to play this bell. Another way to playing it is to shake, where you just shake the bell. Then you can put your thumb on the bell. It's called thumb tap. And you can have the bell lying on the table, and if you take it, you can put it on the bell. Another way is martellato, where you just put the bell on the table like this, or you can let the sound vibrate if you put up the bell. Then we have the table touch, it's also on the table, and you don't stop the sound, you just make it a little bit not so loud, like this. Yeah, then we have the swing, where the sound just sounds a bit different.
It's very nice, yeah.
Normally we stand, and so if we sit, it doesn't sound like that. Okay. Yeah, we got shakes. Then we got those mallets. You can either play the bell in the air, or you can have it lying on the table. Okay. Then we got these. These are called chimes, and it's a softer sound than the bell. This is the same note. And we have a way to play this chime, and it's called vibrato.
Vibrato, yeah.
Where you just let your finger vibrate on this opening. Okay. Yeah, and that's about it. Do you have any questions? Would you like?
Titanic.